Make a bubble wrap bracelet. Take a piece of bubble wrap and make sure that it's big enough to go round your wrist. Run a piece of tape along the edge of the bubble wrap. You don't need to go to the end. Take an LED, split the legs. I bend the short leg on an LED so that I can tell which is the negative leg. Match all of the LEDs so that the bent legs are all on the same side. I'm marking the plus size and I'm just testing that it works with a battery. I've cut away a piece of bubble wrap just to make it easier to reach the silver conductive tape. Use clear tape to hold the bubble wrap down. For this, I'm using a different sort of battery carrier. This battery carrier has a couple of wires which make it easier to connect to the bubble wrap and tape. So insert the battery carrier in and then just use the conductive tape to hold down the wires. I've decorated mine with a few butterflies, and I'm using colour change LEDs.